Hi everyone, I'm Esther from Essie Cooks, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthier vegan version of the viral chopped sandwich. So we're going to be using chickpeas in this. It's like a 5-minute sandwich. Why don't you mash this up in a bowl? Why do you chop it? Well, because when there's a viral trend, we just have to try it. So let's try this out. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chickpea sandwich in 5 minutes. So with this, we're going to start with our cutting board. We literally just throw everything on the cutting board, chop it up finely, and then put it on our favorite bread wrap or lettuce wrap, whatever you like. So the first thing we're going to need is a handful of greens. So I've got some spinach here, but arugula would work great too. So we're going to throw that right onto the cutting board. And now a handful of fresh herbs. So this could be cilantro or basil. And if you want to use fresh dill, you can just use a little bit less. And now you can add either 1 green onion or about 2 tablespoons of red onion. And next, for a nice creamy texture, no vegan sandwich is good without half an avocado. Perfect avocado. I love when they're like this. That's actually why I'm making this sandwich, because I had ripe avocados, and you gotta change your meal plan for the ripe avocados. All right, next up we have half a can of chickpeas, so just kind of carefully put these on here because they can roll. Now we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I didn't have fresh, so I'm just going to use the bottled. We have salt and pepper to taste. And I'm going to add a little ground sumac. You could add some cumin, you could add some curry powder, whatever spices you like, garlic powder, whatever you like. You don't have to, it's optional, but I'm just going to add a little dash of sumac. And then 2 tablespoons of either vegan mayo or tahini. You can use hummus too if you don't want to use vegan mayo. Now for the fun part, we're just going to chop this up until all the ingredients are combined. You'll just have to kind of scrape it with your knife. Get everything into a nice little pile. Use the back side of your knife so you don't dull it. And we'll continue chopping. I'm just scraping that all together, and just like that, it is pretty much ready to go. Now, if you want, you can toast your bread. I'm going to be toasting some rye, sourdough, just add a little bit of extra protein and nutrition to this. And then I'm just going to divide this between 2 sandwiches. You can see it's quite a bit of filling. It was actually super filling, and make sure you stay tuned for the taste test because I actually packed these to go and took them for a hike. And although they were a little messy, they were so delicious. So I'm excited for you guys to check this out. All right, let's try these out. They're actually really good.
Very nice, very nice.
I'm surprised by how good.
Quite delicious.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below for more videos and recipes like this one.